you falling for me, 'cause I know I'd fall for you. I'm falling for, I don't really want you falling for me, 'cause I know I'm falling for you. I'm falling for, it's too late and it's over. I feel your presence take over. Just put your head on my shoulder. Create the feelings that boil over. Consistent, never bipolar. It's hard to keep my composure. I don't really want you falling for me, 'cause I know I'd fall for you. I'm falling for, I don't really want you falling for me, 'cause I know I'm falling for you. I'm falling for.
Just bought Sims. It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird sign of the time. Need to keep busy, trying to eat the hours away. Who knew that I like Milky Way? Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good in control, yeah. And think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. Sit by the window, catching the sun and tracing clouds. I can't believe I'm missing crowds. Time moving so slow, again I'm staring at my phone. Yesterday feels a year ago. Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good in control, yeah. Then think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together.
just sitting here. I got time.
Hindi siya yan. So,
どこ行こうか。
To see from up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me, we're meant to be. Great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday. Everything's unstable. I was unprepared. The colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I can feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh yeah. Call you every night. I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you.
Sapatos.
Walking through our city, so much I want to show you. Say your jokes inside my head. Life is much less pretty when I live it without you. It's like you once said, the colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh, yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I can feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh, yeah. Call you every night. I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Miss you. Make me blue, and I miss you. Miss you. Make me blue, and I miss you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. Ooh, 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 I'm missing you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. Ooh, 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 I'm missing you. Call you every night. I say that I'm alright, but I'm missing you. See you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but I'm missing you. Missing you. Make me blue. You make me blue. I'm missing you. You make me blue. Missing you. Make me blue. You know I'm missing you.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught